Once your design is set, share the whole project as a clean, ready-to-read report. Find the summary button in the top bar, right next to the view mode buttons. Click it. Your project saves automatically, then a new page opens in your browser with the full report. The inventory section lists every item placed in the design, grouped by model, with quantities and totals. Your rental company sees exactly what to ship, and how many of each. The seating chart section lists every guest with their assigned table and seat number, along with meal preferences and dietary restrictions. Your caterer plans the right portions and the room knows who sits where. Copy the page URL and send it to anyone: caterer, florist, rental company, the client. They open the link in any browser, no login required, and always see the latest version every time the project is saved. One button, one link, every detail of your event in one place.